Hey guys, what's going on? Oh, nothing much here. Just a little cold. Yep, I'm just having a good day. No more snow. Really? I don't want no more snow. I want mail. I want mail. Cue the intro. Hey guys, hi. Ooh, what you guys doing? I'm just filming today. Been hearing rumors. I don't know if it's rumors or not, but been hearing that we're gonna get another snowstorm, or it's gonna be worse than the one that we got before. Yeah, I hope not. It sucks. Leave in the comments below if you guys heard that rumor. Also, if you guys had one storm and snowstorm and you guys had another one. I'm just being bored today, so get some food and I'm going to go back to bed. Yeah, I go back to bed and I wake up at 4 a.m. till 9 tomorrow, which I got everything done today. Yay! I'll do deli tomorrow. I don't got no ham. But anyways, yeah, it sucks. It was cold this morning, but now it's not. I don't know why, but it's icy. And then I helped a person out because they ran out of gas or something, and I got my medication. Excuse me. But anyways, I hope you guys are doing good. It is cold out. And I like it how my mom said on Facebook, we ain't going anywhere, but she been out twice. But, yeah, Daryl gets out at 6. So, I'm just tired. But anyways, I hope you guys are doing good. Again, I know. I'm just trying to wake up, but I'm just like hungry. Didn't want to go anywhere, but now I am. I'm gonna buy Daryl something from Dollar General. But anyways, what are you guys doing this weekend? I'm working Friday. Tomorrow. I don't know what my schedule is for next week. So I hope you guys having a good time. Yeah. So yeah, I know I'm tired, so I gotta get some sleep. I gotta go to bed soon. Wishing the mail's here with my W-2. So, excuse me, so I can grab it. Oh, man, this is awesome. Awesome. I hope you guys like my videos, and please hit the subscribe button if you guys are new, and share and like, and thank you. I hope you guys know who I am. If not, I'm KJNSD, which is Kevin, Jazzy, Sam, and Daryl. But Jazzy's gone. She's passed away. And I hope you guys follow the links down below for my t-shirt store, so you can order your tribute shirts and phone cases. Ooh, it's nippy. And I hope you guys follow links to my friends. And I hope you guys share and like this video and love my videos. And thank you for subscribing. As always, I'll see you guys when I see you. Later. Love y'all. Peace.